Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts, and in this video I'll be guiding you how to split any clips in Capcut PC software. So you can see I just drag the clip here on the timeline, but if you want to split any clip or anything in between the clips, so you can easily do this thing. So you can see this is the clip. You have to select first this clip, you have to click on that, and you can see the line option. You have to keep the line where like which specific position you want to split. So I just keep it here. So you can see 10 second. Here you can see here 10 second. So after that, click here, and you can see split, or you can type Ctrl plus B, then it will be split. So if you just select here and click on that, so now it's split. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.